Hi, this is Benjamin Miller, and this is how to take apart the Papago GoSafe520. This thing's from 2015. I actually replaced the internal battery after it died with this small hobby battery. It was actually for like a very small quadcopter, and it still powers up. Okay, let's go ahead and take it apart. So there are 5 screws, 2 on each side, and then there's a longer screw on top. Okay, now taking all the screws out, let's go ahead and take out the SD card. And if you have some kind of plastic removal tool, a guitar pick works too. I found that starting at the bottom works pretty well. Gotta get in there along the seam. Just be careful, there's tabs in there and you don't want to break those tabs, so just be careful of those tabs. There's also a ribbon cable connecting the main board to the display, so you want to be careful not to take this off with a lot of force. Okay, out this apart. Careful on that ribbon cable. That's the ribbon cable. If you bust that off, you're gonna definitely be in trouble. There are little connectors here, right there and right there. You can take those tabs off if you want to take the main display off to work on the rest of it. The modification that I made, as you can see, I've got the original battery was right here. Here's the adhesive. The original battery was in this cavity. You can see where it was shielded. And this is the part that died. It's actually almost the same size as this battery that I put on as a replacement, except this battery is a little bit bigger. So I ended up mounting it on the outside, drilling a hole through the plastic to just run some wires to the outside, so that if this battery dies again, I can just very quickly replace it without taking it apart. I used the original charge controller IC here and just mounted it on the new battery with some Kapton tape, and then connected it up to the original charging ports on the circuit board. So that's pretty much it. That's how you take it apart. In fact, even when it's apart, you can power it up. And that's it. Hope that helps. Bye-bye.